Next, we're gonna use the air saw to enlarge this hole real quick. I know it's a little loud. Friggin' compressor's on. So now that we got the rib nuts installed, I can just put this guy on here and tighten it down without anyone having to hold it from the back. And then I also notch it slightly bigger. And if you're wondering why it's such a weird shape, I just went with the OEM hole and kind of cut straight lines. It doesn't need to be bigger than this. So, I mean, I could make it nice and square, but I don't really need to. Now we're just gonna take this guy, this is the ECU side, slide it in. And as you can see, here's the plate with the Canon plug right there. And I'm just gonna pop this on like so. Put one of the bolts like that. Okay, just gonna hand tighten all these guys for now. Get that guy in here. Dude, this is such an easy friggin' job. As long as you have the proper tools and some patience, this will come out pretty sick. Okay, so pop that guy on there, and then we'll just singe it down. Oh, how'd this pop out? Okay. There you go. Now, I'm gonna be putting Honda Bond there later, but I'm not done yet, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for now until I have to adjust that part, and then we should be Gucci. You can see right there, it's not too big, it's fully covered, and everything's nice and sealed.